things that always get brought up when I'm on the other side where somebody's buying. They're buying half the time because they want to expand their margins, but also their top line revenue.
Right.
And I find a lot of buyers doing now, they're doing it for almost like a tax arbitrage.
Yeah.
And so they're coming in and saying, hey, I can buy this other business. It's not my business, but it's kind of works alongside my business.
Yep.
But this has so much inventory in it, so much hard assets in it, so much of all these things.
Right.
So I can buy this business. I can do some type of cost segregation study or some type of accelerated depreciation.
Right.
And I can actually lower my tax liability, and I get to, pretty much buy this company at a 30% discount because of my tax liability. Do you see guys looking at it from those angles of just from I wouldn't say solely from a tax play, but it makes the deal look a little bit sweeter because of the tax benefits?
No, that's absolutely the case. So what I tell my buyers whenever they're kind of looking at that, whenever they're talking to their advisors, their other advisors, is never, ever buy a business specifically for that reason. But if you find a business that you would independently buy, but for that, that is such a huge, bonus.
You're looking at an M&A transaction.
So I think we kind of touched on one of them is I think what all sellers or buyers, but we spent most of our time kind of talking about sellers. What you should be doing as a seller is you should be focusing on running your business, and you should be focused on getting the right team behind you and kind of letting them do all of the transaction stuff. Let them work on the M&A aspect of it, because what you are specialized in is running a very good and successful business. So I think the first thing is to put together a really good team, interview folks, trust your gut, talk to people, get good referrals about a really scary, what could be otherwise a very scary,
it's a life-changing,
very anxiety-inducing kind of transaction.